finally came today. Only took this thing approximately a month and a half to get here because this isn't the original wrapper. And I'll go ahead and show you what's on the inside. And here's the original wrapper. I ordered a 16 gigabyte DIMM module for my G7 7790, and of course the retailer, he put it in the post within a couple of business days. Tracking number, it never came. It got lost. Now, let me show you. Tracking number from United States Parcel Service. Well, guess what? I can tell you that that tracking number means absolutely diddly squat. They couldn't find it. It took them approximately 3 weeks to find it. As a matter of fact, it got mailed to Russia, which is 3,000 miles faster than it went 400 miles from Ohio. How about that? Anyhow, my neighbor sent it here. I got it the other day. And let's see how my dual channel memory works out. Okay folks, welcome back to the channel. Just want to update you on my benchmarking after I installed my extra DIMM module of 16 gigabyte, which brings me up to a total of 32 gigabyte in dual channel mode. Yes, it makes a difference. If we look at my benchmarks that I ran on Firestrike, TimeSpy, and Cinebench, you'll see a nice performance boost from doing this. I'm not going to go through the process of removing the cover and filming it because I think anybody can remove 11 screws from the back cover of their notebook. If you can't, then you don't need to be mucking around on the insides. Like I say, it was just a down and dirty quick video, and I'm pretty impressed with the results. I can probably tweak on it a little bit more and squeeze a little bit more performance out of there, but for the most part, hey, I'm pretty happy with it. Anyhow, welcome back to the channel. Hope you like it. Hit like, subscribe if you want to, and we'll putting out some more content in the future. Thank you.